You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than 11/60. Let's solve it step by step. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Add 16x to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 9/2 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 30. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than 11/60.